Welcome to SMDCI Hotel by Homefort. Sino at ano nga ba si Homefort I Hotel? Ito ay isang property management company in partnership with SMDC. Our goal is to help unit owners and investors na maging profitable at hassle-free ang investment ninyo. Kung bibili ka ng condo unit sa SMDC, you don't need to worry kasi kami na ang bahala sa operation ng unit mo. From renovation, maintenance, cleaning, housekeeping, and marketing. Ang tanong, paano ka nga ba kikita sa ganitong business model? Just like hotels, kumikita tayo ng daily rentals from Airbnb, Agoda, Booking.com, Klook, Trivago, at marami pang ibang booking platform. With a daily rate of 3,000 to 3,500 or 80 to 100,000 pesos monthly, so ang rental profit mo ay makakapag-provide sa'yo ng cash flow at passive income kahit wala kang masyadong ginagawa. And ang pinakamalaking kitaan is the property valuation. Ibig sabihin, tumataas ang value ng property mo over time. Kumikita ka na sa daily rentals plus the ownership dahil sa'yo nakapangalan ng property mo. Kaya super safe ang investment mo. Why SMDC? SMDC is the largest and fastest real estate developer here in the Philippines, also the owner of BDO, China Bank, SM Supermalls, and a lot more. We have strategic locations when it comes to rental, kaya mas mabilis tumaas ang value ng property mo. Nasa prime location ito kung saan may SM malls, nandoon malapit si SMDC. Meron tayo sa Pasay, Makati, Parañaque, Taguig, Quezon City, and outside Metro Manila like Laguna, Cavite, Rizal, Bulacan, Pampanga, Iloilo, Bacolod at Mindanao. SMDC also offers flexible payment terms gaya ng low down payment. Kaya mas mabilis ang return of investment natin. Interested ka ba na magkaroon ng passive income at kumita ng walang kahirap-hirap? Ngayon, meron tayong 2 options para makapagsimula. Number 1, pre-selling or spread down payment. All you need to do is magpa-reserve ka lang ng unit ngayon for only 25,000 to 40,000 depende sa location na gusto mo. Plus, monthly down payment of 8,000 to 20,000 depende sa unit na mapipili mo. Once na-accumulate mo na ang 5% of the total contract price, pwede na natin magamit at maparentahan ito. Ibig sabihin, kikita ka na ng passive kahit nasa down payment stage ka pa. Number 2, ready for occupancy or early occupancy program just like rent to own. Ang kailangan mo lang is magpa-reserve ng unit, mag-spot down payment of 5% and that's it. Pwede nang ma-turn over sa'yo ang property. This time, hindi ka na maglalabas ng pera galing sa sarili mong bulsa o sa trabaho mo kasi yung monthly amortization o down payment ay kukunin na natin sa rental income ng property mo. Perfect ito sa mga OFW na gustong magkaroon ng negosyo dito sa Pilipinas o existing business owners na gusto ng another profitable business pero walang oras para mag-manage ng day-to-day operation, and anyone who wants a passive income and more time and financial freedom. And for sure, makakatulong ito sa pambayad sa mga bills mo, panghanda sa future ng mga kids mo, o kahit pang retirement fund para hindi ka na kailangang magtrabaho araw-araw. Invest your future with SMDC and Homefort I Hotel that offers a solid return of investment. Don't just dream about financial freedom, make it a reality with real estate. Kung interested ka na magkaroon ng property investment na kayang magbigay sa'yo ng monthly passive income, we can schedule a one-on-one presentation with our property specialist. See you inside!